Hello, I'm a math instructor at Portland Community College. In this video, I'll outline where the various formats of the textbook ORCCA can be found and briefly summarize how each can be used. To start, ORCCA, with two C's, stands for Open Resources for Community College Algebra. It's a textbook for PCC's Math 60, 65, and 95 introductory and intermediate algebra courses. The book is available for free online as an interactive ebook and also as a downloadable PDF. It can also be purchased in a print copy through the PCC bookstore and through Amazon. For links to each of these, see pcc.edu/ORCCA. Navigating now to pcc.edu/ORCCA, I'll see links to the various formats of the textbook. The first one I'm going to look at is the eBook, which I mentioned was interactive. So I'll briefly go through the navigation here. On the left side, we have this main table of contents that we can navigate through, and keep in mind that these are all links. I also have the chapters here that are linked that I could navigate to. The first thing I'll look at is in Chapter 2. So I'll go to Chapter 2, and I'm going to click on Solving One-Step Equations. As I'm in here, what's at the top are outcomes for this section that we use at PCC. Those are all linked. Then below, you'll see an embedded video. These were created by PCC faculty. And then down here, the exposition starts. And as we go through, there will be examples, solutions, properties, some diagrams oftentimes. What I want to get to are these things called checkpoints. These are an aspect of the ebook that you won't see in the print versions. The checkpoints are places for you to practice what you're learning. They're interactive. So as you see on this one, it says solve for a in the equation 10 equals negative 2a. Then it's asking for the solution and the solution set. This is practicing solving as well as notation. Now, if I don't want to try this, I can always just click on solution and it'll give me the fully worked solution. But if as I'm reading I want to give this a try, I could say I think I know how to solve this one. I'll enter negative 5 for the solution, and then the solution set. I'm going to enter curly bracket, negative 5, curly bracket. And now I have this button where I can check the answer. And so it's going to tell me if I'm correct or not. In the print version, it's not possible to have that kind of interactivity. So the fully worked solution is simply printed. At the end of this ebook section, you're going to see exercises. These are your standard textbook exercises. They're also in the print version. They're identical in each, but those come at the end of each section. Coming back to pcc.edu/ORCCA, I'll now show the PDF and print versions and discuss them briefly. Looking at this first PDF, which is in black and white, it's going to have exactly the same content as I navigate here. And depending on what browser I'm in, I sometimes can get a side navigation bar. If I open this in Adobe, I'd have a table of contents side navigation bar I could use. But as you'll see, it's going to be exactly the same content. I'll have the intros, and then I can navigate to each of the chapters. Once I'm at the table of contents, each of these sections and chapters are linked. So if I want to go to, say, Chapter 10, which is where Math 95 starts, I could click on the 10, and I'll be right on Chapter 10. Back at our main pcc.edu/ORCCA page, you'll notice that there's both a black and white PDF available for download and a color PDF available for download. The black and white PDF, which I just showed you, is ideal if you want to print your own copy, but as you notice, the links weren't very easy to see. The color PDF is much better if you want to download a copy and have it available when you're offline. Finally, a bound and printed copy of ORCCA can also be purchased. It can be purchased through Amazon or through the PCC bookstore. The links to where the book can be purchased on Amazon can be found on the main pcc.edu/ORCCA page. For print copies, the book is broken up into 3 parts. PCC's Math 60 covers chapters 1 through 4, and that can be purchased. You'll notice it has a green cover and is part 1. PCC's Math 65 covers chapters 5 through 9, and that's part 2. It has that tealish blue cover. And lastly, PCC's Math 95 covers chapters 10 through 14, and that's part 3. It has a purple cover. Those are each distinguished both at the bookstore and on Amazon. In closing, I'll show you really briefly, the 3 print versions of ORCCA. Part 1, again, is Math 60, Part 2, Math 65, Part 3, Math 95, and so only the relevant chapters are printed. If we come to the Math 95 book, for example, which covers chapters 10 through 14, when you come to the index, you'll find the full contents, and then the first chapter we see will be chapter 10. Thanks for watching.